1988 ktm500mx. Made some progress on it. Exhaust is more or less mounted. Lots of nuts and bolts have been discovered. Still has no spark. I actually did a test when I kicked it over, and the coil's measuring some voltage, so I think it's just a failed coil. I'm going to try to heat it up with a blow dryer and do the same thing, and sometimes, I mean, it won't fix it, but it at least let me know for sure. Front brakes hooked up. That's my voltage tester. I just had it there because I'm lazy. Rear brake caliper mounted. There's a stay here. The bearings, there's like a little there's a bearing inside each one of these here. They're wore, and I think it's a wheel bearing that's wore as well because it rocks. But the stay's all correct now. There's a bracket here on some of them. I thought that this stay connected to that bracket. It may very well, but this lines up. I'm doing this all without a book, without any very good pictures, so I'm sure things are wrong. It's one day at a time with it, but everything's hooked up. I got a bushing there. There's supposed to be a bushing here for the exhaust mount. I got a brass bushing in there. It seems to work. It's all solid. Next thing, I gotta move the bike over. My garage is filthy. I gotta move the bike over to the other side and get it this side here and get a chain hooked up and see what else is going on here and go from there. But progress on the ktm500mx. I doubt it's gonna run because of the spark and I can't find a coil, but if I can do something about it, I will. It's be fairly clean when it's all said and done, and other than the super red powder coated frame, it's mostly all original and pretty good shape.